Hey guys, Kathleen Rumford here from Catalytic Digital. I am so excited to share with you this Dubb video software. It's something that I use almost every day in my business. And I really believe that this will be a game changer for your business because it is conversational marketing. It is very powerful, and I can't wait to get in here and show it to you. Okay, so Dubb behind the scenes. As an overview, I'm going to do a Dubb high-level walkthrough and really want you to think about the possibilities of what you're hearing and how it can be applied into your own business. This is going to be a walkthrough, not just of this presentation, but I'm going to actually get into the tool and show you how it works. This is where you would come. Once you have an account, if you look down here, you can see statistics on all your videos. You can come over here and see the activity, how many hours ago or how many days ago was a video clicked on. And then you can look down here for more analytics. And then here's a list of all your videos that you might have in your library. And you can reuse videos. So you might have one that you can send a great prospecting video that can go out to a lot of people, but maybe you just need to create a tiny little video that's more specific to someone. And then you can set it up in a playlist, and I'm going to show you that. So this is where you're going to start, but let me show you a couple things. You can click on this button and it will take you to where you can do a webcam recorder, you can do a screen recorder, you can import a YouTube video, and you can do a file upload. But there's also this Dubb Chrome extension, right? So you see my video now popping up down here. So I can turn that webcam on and off. I can just have my profile image. I can turn my mic on or off, and I can go into full screen, and I can choose an annotation pen, and then I can turn the control bar on and off. Okay, so I'm saying I want to do full screen. So when I click this, I'm going to get full screen. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's Kathleen here from Catalytic Digital. And thank you so much for being here. I know that this software is going to be amazing in your business, but you need to make the decision. So I put a couple call to actions below, but the biggest one is to schedule a call with me. And I'm really looking forward to talking to you. So I'll see you soon. And then I stop. And so now it's going to take just a couple seconds for it to upload, and it will be ready for me in my dashboard. All right, so now the video is probably processing. Let's go over here into videos. Yes, so this is the one that I just created. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so it's updating the thumbnail image, and you can actually edit it here as well. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. So there's analytics, so I can go and look at older videos that I've already sent, and I can see email click rate, watch rates, call to action rates, right? I can see some great stuff there. And then details. So this is where I'm setting it up. So I'm going to put a description in here if I'd like. This is what's going to show up underneath my video. I'm adding tags. So I'm adding tags for internal organization. I am setting up calls to action. What do I want to show up underneath my video? You are at the beginning will have a video reply button, but I've set up a number of calls to action. So right off the bat, you have this. Someone can reply with a video to your video, which is really cool. And then you can build a list of videos to play into a playlist. So you can string videos together into a playlist so that people can watch one and it will string to the next and string to the next. So you can reuse little videos and build them together in a playlist. So it's almost as if they're one video. And then down here would be options for you. I actually will show you all of this in the quick start training if you so decide to get this. And then editing, you can go ahead and do some trimming. You can trim the beginning, the end, well, in between start and end points, but it doesn't have to just be at the beginning or the end. You can actually trim in the middle as well. Then design, this is something that you will have set up. And again, quick start training will show you this, but you will have your, if you've got brand colors, all of this will be set up as a default, and you will have uploaded an image for your custom background or using an image that they have in their library. Okay, so that's all we're going to look at here, but basically you see that this is ready to go. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you share and send. You can come here to do an email. You can go do here for a QR code. Let's just do it as an email. So I'm going to send it from my email to, no, I'm going to send it to myself as a test, right? And then you can say anything here. So check out this video, or hey, looking forward to connecting. And then schedule a call, and then come down here to your body template of your editor. So in here has, hey, first name, check out the video I created for you. You can update that. This is the video placeholder. You do not want to delete that. And then you can customize this, and I'll show you that in the quick start training. And then you're good to go, and you can say send now. You're about to send to one contact. Great, send now. And so then I come over to my email, and we should see it. There it is. Kathleen, looking forward to connecting, right? So it's personal. And I could have sent this to a whole bunch of people. So again, you see there's a 2 or 3 second GIF that's created. This is what's going to show up in someone's email. Okay, so the whole video is not showing up here. It's a GIF that they click on to get to the landing page, right? And so let's do that. You click on it, and now you're going to a created landing page that was created using your background, your colors, and the call to action that you put in there, right? And I'd love it if you'd send back a reply via video, right? So that's what I have attached to this call to action button. So I didn't even have to type that right now. That's automatically sent. So you can see the power of this, and these cute emojis, you can choose to have them on, you can, or not. You've got your signature line down here. You can choose what you want to show in here. You've got your social links there. And if I had extra videos I wanted to see, I would have put them in when I set this up, and they would have been showing here in a playlist. I can string a number of videos down here. So that's how quick and easy this is. And this does not require a website. All right, so I want to keep moving here. Oh, and then this window pops up too, or you can choose to have it pop up or not. So instant landing page, when you get into Dubb and you get things set up, you're able to create a video instant landing page with calls to action. And this is something that you do not have to fuss with SEO. You don't have to fuss with formatting and settings or anything like that. You go into, I'm talking about a website. No, you do not need a website. This is an instant landing page created from the Dubb software. So, I mean, this is one of the biggest pieces of this. You can get calls booked. So if you look on this last screen, right, you've got different calls to action here. So schedule a call. So someone can click on that and get over to your calendar. And that is one of the things that you're asking them to consider in your video. You're saying, hey, down below, you can schedule a call. Now, in this one, you can see that there's a button here for pay now. So my video may be saying something like, great, you're now registered for the event, or you're registered to have me come in and work with your business, and click pay now to go ahead and pay. So that's all integrated with the Dubb once you set it up to be integrated, but it's very easy. Okay, a form. You can have someone fill out a form. So this is an exploring the business opportunity form. You can have forms for anything that maybe you're a person who creates brand designs for people, or maybe you're a realtor and you want to have them fill out a form to get some information. You can do that all through this tool. So you give the video, you talk about what your intention is for that video, you point to the calls to action below, and just talk about what you're asking them to do. And there's probably too many in my list, but keep it short, keep it sweet, keep it simple, and then they'll respond accordingly. Now this one, Dubb is a CRM, so it has a place to store all your contacts, right? So you've got this database of contacts. Now I've blocked out the people's last names and emails, but you've got their names, emails, you can tag them, and then you're able to send videos by tag. So you can send emails of videos to individual people or a couple people, but you can also send it to everyone with this tag and do a broadcast. And it will be personal because it's pulling in their name into a couple spots that makes it personal for them. And there's a few other things to do with the contact list, but let's just move over to this next piece. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but you can, when you get people in to your contact list, if it makes sense for your business, you can say where they are in either the sales pipeline or if they're a business builder, where they've gotten to in the pipeline of becoming, through the training that, you've set up for them, potentially quick start training or whatever, you can set that up here as well. So you could do a deal flow. And then you can also do automated follow-up. If you have the Pro Plus version of Dubb, you can do automated follow-up sequences. So you can do, drip campaigns. And when someone comes into the contact list, they can trigger with a certain tag, it can trigger an automation. So that's something that you could do here as well. So it's very powerful. You can use it as simply or as complexly as your business demands. So how do you get your message out once it's built? Well, there's a number of ways. One being email, that's the most prevalent. You can also send it right to social media. You can get the embed code to put it on a website if you have a website, and you can also do a QR code. So this QR code, if I scan it, would take me to the link that is created with this video and those calls to action. So just scanning that code, push what comes up, and boom, I've got that video displayed on my phone. So yeah, if you're a realtor, maybe you have this QR code. I mean, you've probably thought of these things already, right? But you can have them on your signs, or everyone can put them on their business cards, or restaurants can put them on their menu. And instead of it just taking you to a menu, or a card, and you scan it to get the menu, it's going to take you to a video that says, thank you so much for, being at our restaurant, blah, 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 blah. And then click below to click on the menu, and you click the button below, and up pops the menu, but it's more personal. It is so much more personal. So this is an incredible tool for doing personal communications in so many ways, right? Okay, so you're saying goodbye to complicated sales processes that feel salesy or impersonal or gimmicky. And you are saying hello to personalized video funnels that generate more leads and sales with ease and with feeling of trust. So 95% more of a message is understood when it's watched versus when it's read. And that's powerful. Oh my goodness. So if you can get your message out via video, doesn't it make so much sense? And to do it easily, and really, you're going to catch people's attention, right? When you get a GIF or a GIF in your inbox in an email, and someone's going, hey, right? And it says something personalized, people are going to be more likely to respond. And human connection is more important than ever before, right? So this is going to certainly be more likely to be opened and looked at than just a text email. Okay, so it really gets to be fun and easy. Yes, there's a little bit of a learning curve to get everything set up, but once you have your assets set up, it gets to be faster. So you can create personalized one-on-one outreach in a matter of, once you're set up, right, in a matter of minutes. And then you can go and do some automated nurturing like drip campaigns, and then even do some more automated systems. But really, just to start out, you don't need to do all that. Really, the personalized one-on-one outreach is huge. So some ways to use this. You can use this for prospecting, right? Prospecting for customers, clients, business builders, teammates. And really, people get to know, like, and trust you a little bit in this initial engagement because they see you, they hear you, they can potentially, hear your heart. So it is much more powerful than just a regular email. And then for onboarding or registering, right? So you might be onboarding a new hire or registering people for classes or meetings or webinars. So that's another way to use this. And then nurture and collect testimonials. So you want to nurture, just like normal, right? But you're going to be doing it in a way that's more connecting, right? You want to do some follow-up. You want to support your team. You want to do some training. You might have some special sales for customers. You want to do some business building. You want to ask for testimonials from a previous client that you've just worked with. You can do it through the video and ask them to do a video reply. And then you have a video reply of them that you can put on your website. Okay, so just again, I don't have all the answers, but think of the possibilities. Okay, so again, just maybe to step that even a little more. So personalized presentation with an offer, right? So here would be a video with an offer that I'm talking about. And if they're interested in finding out more about the business, for example, I'd have this business inquiry form and schedule a call. So they can click on the form, fill out the form, they can click on the schedule call, come over to my calendar, schedule a meeting, and then I have a meeting with them. So after that, if it's a good fit, I would send additional information. So maybe they're trying to get into my Catalytic Tech Empowerment Academy. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm sending them additional information, next steps, program details, whatever it is that you would be sending them. And then there's this sign up and then potentially a payment. This is just an example. So they would come over here and they could pay for the training right up front. If they come through this, that could potentially be the end of the current funnel where you've got a process sign up and payment, or you're sending a thank you video message, or you're scheduling a next meeting, you're asking for testimonials, whatever it is you're doing here. You can also do follow-up reminders. And if you know what, if it's not a good fit for them, you might have them go through kind of a nurture series where you check in with them every now and then. So this is the power of Dubb. I hope this helped show you a little more about this product. And I do not work for them, but I do have a link for you to get a free trial or for an affiliate link. So you can click on either one of those below if you'd like to check it out. If you do, there's also a quick start training there for you. I hope this serves you well in your business and your life. Again, just thank you so much for your time. I really appreciated you walking through this with me. All right, take care.